Okay, so today is probably the video that you've all been waiting for. I'm going to clean my gel plate. To do that, I'm going to use some baby oil and just some wet wipes. So all I'm going to do is put some baby oil on the plate and rub it in, wipe it in. Kind of just starting with the edges to pick up all that, ooh, look at all that junk on there, all that dried paint. Rub it right off the edges. It kind of just flakes right off. This is not something that you need to do a lot, but once in a while it is really nice to start with a fresh, clean plate. Just cleaning the corners. A little more baby oil. This is also how you would season your plate if you have a gel plate that's, you know, causing a lot of sticking or it's not releasing properly. Chances are that you need to season your gel plate with some baby oil. Okay, I'm actually going to pull a print to pull up all this extra mess here. So let's get a brayer. And I'm just going to use some whatever color paint, doesn't matter. Chances are I'm not going to use this print for anything because it's going to have all these little bits in it. But you never know. Okay, nice thin layer. And I'm just going to use a piece of copy paper to pick that up. So when you're doing a pickup print like this, a cleanup print, you really do want to let it sit for a minute because you want it to really connect to all the paint that's on the plate. Okay, I might actually use that for something. There's not actually that much crap in there, so you never know. I'll take this off though, because I can see that that's didn't get picked up. And I wonder if the other side is worth cleaning. Not really necessary. Okay, well there's one. This is the one that really needs a clean. You can see I've got like toner stuck to it. There's graphite on there. All this dried paint here. So let's just do a pickup print first. And then get in there with the baby oil. Again, this is just a piece of copy paper. I'll let it sit for a minute so that it adheres really well. And this is interesting. This plate actually does need to be conditioned because it held onto the paper here and actually ripped my paper a little bit. Which is fine, that's why we're doing this today. So, got most of it off there. Okay, let's do some baby oil. Oh yeah, there we go. All that text is coming off now. Should have done this months ago. Honestly, I don't care too much about the paint part. I just want all that graphite and toner off of there. That's been there forever. And to recondition the plate. Okay, this one I am going to pick up and turn over because I know that that pencil is on the other side. Oh, yeah, it's not even the right color. Yeah, you can see it's picking up all that blue there. I don't even know what that is. Might have been ink of some kind. Those sort of toner stains and graphite stains don't actually affect the function of your gel plate at all. But it might be easier to see what you're doing if you don't have them on there. So it's good to clean it once in a while and condition the plate so that it doesn't give you any issues. Okay, I'm gonna get a fresh wet wipe. And a little bit more oil. Just gonna rub this in really good. Okay, I'm actually going to wipe down this plexi here too. Just get rid of any loose bits. And we'll put that plate right back on top. Whoops. Okay, and now there's still little bits of stuff on there, but the next time I pull the print, that'll all come up. So, it's good. Happy with that.